Are you happy with your neckline? There are 3 problems that people normally experience with their necklines. Number 1, excess skin. Number 2, vertical line. Number 3, fat under the skin. In this video, we will talk about how you can address these issues at home without going to a plastic surgeon. Stay until the end of this video and I will show you a few tricks to have a great neckline in the photographs. A few months ago, I called my friend who has been going for injections for a while, and I told her that I'm bothered by my neckline and I wanted something that was not as invasive as neck lift. I found out that you can get a filler into your chin and jaw area to make your contour look more defined, thus hiding the double chin that really bothered me. We made an appointment with a Medispa where my friend has been going for years, but a few days before that I chickened out. Somehow, by total accident, I came across a product that really worked for me, and I will tell you all about it towards the end of this video, so do not leave before you find out my secret. So let's start with the products that have a proven track record to improve the look and firmness of your neckline. Number 1 is retinol. We talk about retinol a lot. This is one of my favorite ingredients in the skincare. Not only is great for your face, but it is also very good for the neck area. How does retinol work? It helps to exfoliate the skin, improve collagen production, thicken the deeper layer of the skin, and improve wrinkles and fine lines. My favorite retinol is from SkinCeuticals called Tripeptide-R Neck Repair. I recommend for you to use it every other night to start out, and you can progressively get to every night. I like this product because the retinol in it is a bit less concentrated than in other retinol products from SkinCeuticals. Neck is more sensitive area, so you need to be even more careful on your neck when starting out with retinol. Retinols are tricky and require for your skin to get used to. I made a video on how to start using retinol cream, and you can see it here. My friends often ask me about specifically retinol creams. I can't tell you how many horror stories I have heard about retinol because people do not use it correctly, especially when they start out. Retinol is scientifically proven to work for anti-aging, and it is one of the best things you can do for yourselves. Number 2 is Microcurrent. I made a video on how to use NuFace. This is the device I have at home. I wish I would use it more often, but I am lazy. If you're not, it is a great device for sculpting and improving the look of wrinkles. You do need to invest a little bit of time. It's 5 minutes a day, that's all you need. If you are working just on one area, it's even less. But for your neckline, you apply special product, special gel that comes with microcurrent device, and then you just glide it like that. You can do this on the neck, and you repeat it a couple of times. You can do it all over the face. I made a video on how to use NuFace before, which you can watch here, so I'm not going to show you how to use it. But for the neck area, you just glide it like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. I definitely use this product when I have a special occasion to go to, and like I said, unfortunately I do not use it every day, but I do think it's very beneficial. Number 3 is gua sha. It's a tool for a facial massage, and it is very effective. I am going to link a video here on how to do a gua sha massage on your face, but for your neck area, you start like this. You need to apply some sort of oil first. I love Babor rejuvenating oil, and then you massage like this towards the ear. It definitely helps with defining the jawline, with circulation, improving the look of puffiness. I do highly recommend. You can buy gua sha anywhere. It's on Amazon. It's very inexpensive. I just recently bought gua sha with a roller. Number 4 is face yoga. It's facial exercises for the face. We exercise muscles in our body to look great. So why do we not exercise muscles in our face? We have a lot of facial muscles. There are a number of exercises you can do to tighten your neck and jaw area. One YouTube channel that I do follow is Face Yoga Expert with Danielle Collins. I really enjoy her videos, and she has a number of videos on the neck area. I will provide a link to her channel in the description for this video. And number 5 is what you've been waiting. That's what I promised you. I've seen tremendous results with this product. I recently discovered SBLA products. I watched TikTok and I just bought them. It was one of those things I normally don't do. I do research and I buy stuff. I'm very impressed with their neck products. They have facial products. I have not seen as much result with that product as much with face. They have two products. This is a day product. It's called Neck, Chin, Jawline Sculpting 1. And this is a night product. It's called Neck, Chin, Jawline Sculpting 1 XL. So it's just a serum. It looks like this. It's like a rolling pan. To release the product, you press on the button here. So in the morning, all you do is you apply the product like this, and then you define your jawline like this, and that's all you do. You do the same thing at night with this product. This product is scientifically shown to reduce the fat in this area, and I kid you not, I have seen improvement in, I think I've been using this for 2 months. I do not have even half of what I had here. There was like a little fat pad here, which I really don't like, and it's gone. My neck and jaw area is much more defined. I have never seen anything like that. I highly recommend. So let me give you a little more detail on this. It's proven to firm, lift, sculpt, and define the entire neck, chin, and jawline. Like I said, it's used in the morning. It smooths, tightens, reduces lines and wrinkles, boosts collagen, brightens and evens out skin tone, reverses sun damage, firms and lifts sagging skin. It works on the issues that we talked about at the beginning of this video, like all 3 issues. Now this evening product, it melts fat as well as builds collagen, generates new skin cells overnight. So this product increases skin elasticity, firmness, reduces lines and wrinkles, reverses sun damage, and evens out skin tone. It smooths crepey skin, it tightens and lifts sagging skin. And finally, let's talk about how to pose in the pictures to make your neck area look the best. So let's assume this is my phone. Never take pictures from below. This is going to make your fat and sagging skin be seen on your photograph. So always take your pictures from the above. So this will hide this area. Another trick I recently learned. So if you put your hand like this, see the definition? See how great this looks? We can use this for the cover for this video, I guess, right? Like this. For more information on beauty, wellness, and health, watch this video next.